Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to check which ports are listening on a server. Okay, so we have a command called as SS service sockets. So this command gives us the ports which are listening on server. Okay, the command is SS hyphen tulnp enter. So if you see if you look at the output of the command ss-tulnp, we have a see UDP and TCP. There are two types of ports. Okay, TCP ports and UDP ports. I mean categorized, and we can see here the state whether the ports are listening or not listening. Okay, and receive, send, and local address port and peer address port. The ports which are in local, the ports which are connected to the external. Okay, so here these are ports are listening currently. Okay, uh, so UDP ports and TCP ports. So if you want to check which ports are listening, uh, so which ports are listening? For example, you don't want to check all the ports which are listening, but you just want to check one particular port. Okay, so how do you check? The command to check is /tulnp pipe symbol grep colon, and you just have to remember the port number. For example, I just want to check port 80 is running or not in my server. Okay, so how do you check it? This is the command, and if you see here, see here the state is showing listen. Okay, so the port 80 is listening. Likewise, we can identify and check the whether ports are listening or not. Okay, so the command to check is /tulnp, and to know list of the ports which are running on server, we can use this command. If you want to filter particular port, the port which is running, so if you want to check, so the command to check is you can filter /12np and pipe symbol grep and particular port number. If you want to check whether crony d service is running or not, so the port is 323. The here you have to remember memorize the port numbers. Okay, whether this particular port is listening or not on this particular server. So this is how we can check the port listening status. Thanks for watching.